Hi, welcome to Ultimate Swipe File. I'm just going to check to see if my record sounds is on because last time I record and I don't see anything. So just a minute, let's check. Okay, oh, apparently it's recording, right? All right, so let me go back to here. Okay, so first thing I like to go in is help screen here. When you need any help, you can call AI tech support at this number here or write to me. Allow 24 hours for me to reply. If you want to earn money with selling Ultimate Swipe File, just come here to sign up as an affiliate. And anytime you need to watch video tutorial again, just click on here and click on here to watch this. Now, disclaimer, I'm just going to speak out loud because it's something that the lawyer asked me to do. This software is a tool to assist users in their lawful and responsible activities. By using this software, you acknowledge and agree that the developer, seller, or distributor is not responsible for its use. Users are solely responsible for ensuring that their use of the software complies with all applicable local, state, federal, and international laws. This includes, but is not limited to, laws governing the copying, distribution, or use of copyrighted materials, such as website content, images, videos, or any proprietary information. Any unauthorized use of this software to infringe on intellectual property rights or violate legal status is strictly prohibited and done at the user's risk. All right, so we're gonna go to our tutorial now and start. Now I'm using this for everything, save everything that's important to me, like my family's birthday or direction or something that I want to do research on, like ad copies or any kind of promotion, or anytime that I sign up with somebody and they send me an emails, I usually copy the entire emails in here. Because sometimes you just don't know when you need to return a refund, you don't even know who to ask for. So that's the best thing you can do to use this ultimate swipe file. In addition to make money with this, is that you can do research and then you can export your research to PDF and you can sell them as a report. Now, the copywriting, you need to really pay attention when you sell something. It should be your product. I just suggest that you use this to do research only and not copy verbatim thing that you find on the internet unless it is allowable to use. So now let's just so right here you can just put the birthday of an entire family in here, and I'm just going to click new. Let's say you want to research on recipes, okay? And I'm just gonna go for chocolate cupcake. Now you can do whatever you want. You can put all the recipes in here: chocolate, vanilla, hazelnut, anything, or you can just segregate all chocolate in one place. I would say whatever that you think is best for you. So after you click on Add New, you click on Save to save it. And before you can do to go research, you have to create the record first. So then you can click on research, and right here you can go on the internet and swipe the recipes, and it will automatically paste to here. So now we're just gonna go to the web and we're gonna say, give me the best chocolate cupcake recipes. And we go to chocolate cupcake recipes here. So let's say, wow, this looks really awesome, right? Awesome. So, and they allow us to share, so I guess it's okay. So I don't think I'm just going to sign up, but let's say we're gonna go find where the recipes is. Right here, you see, they weigh the heck down, and sometimes so let's see. So let's say you like pro tips. You're just gonna highlight pro tips, right? And right click copy, and you like this image, right click copy, and then maybe they have something else for us to. Oh yeah, you can print this recipe. So right here is a recipe. So we are just gonna copy everything here. Maybe. Okay, so you know what? Since it's have a different thing here, so I'm just gonna copy different part. So right here we're gonna copy this part, and then we're just gonna copy whatever we can here. Apparently, this may be an image, right? To copy, and, and we're just gonna copy the ingredient here, copy, and instructions, and notes, and nutrition maybe, just in case you want. So I'm just gonna copy all of that. Now we're gonna go back here and see what we got. See, it copy everything here for you, including the email that you just copy. So let's say we are done with this. We're gonna save the content. And so let's say you want to search chocolate, right? It says that the whole article there's 8 different incident of chocolate. So you're gonna do next, next. You see it's the highlight for you, so you can tell where it is. And how about vanilla? Is there anything vanilla here? Privileges. I misspelled vanilla. No wonder I couldn't find right right here vanilla. So there's a 2 incident of vanilla. So if you have more than one recipe in here, you can search for them, right? So let's say you just see something you want to send to your sister or another person for this particular recipe. So it's so good, you try it out and it's take amazing. So you're gonna copy the whole thing and you're gonna send to your sister by click copy. Now, when you copy internally, it will say internal copies on. It means that when you highlight and click on copy, it won't copy back on into itself. So now you're gonna go to the maybe the email. Uh, I'm just going to see. I just did this earlier and the video had no sound, so I had to redo again. So now we have to redo this again. Right? So you right click here and you're gonna paste, right? So these are this recipe, and then also you want to copy the image which is down here. Copy the image right here, the button, and copy. It's also internal copies on because of that reason. We are not copy from the research, but we copy from our stuff to send to other people. So there you go. So that's how you do it, internal copy. Now, when you come back and do research again, you can click on internal copy on and it will turn it off. And that's it. Um, I'm just going to save this content and then I'm just going to leave. Okay. Now, let's say you do another research. I'm going to do the add new. I'm just going to do research top 10 job. How about top 10? Oh, yeah, top 10 job that pay the most in 2025, right? So we're gonna play this so that we can go inside to do research on this. I don't know, my chat GPT ran out of, I don't know, they allow me to do anything now because my memory is full, but we can try. Give me 10 jobs that pay the most. All right. Wow. I'm not any of these jobs. Ooh. Oh, wow. Airline pilot, data scientist. Wow. Look at that. AI engineer. Wow. Okay, so when research on ChatGPT, you want to click here to copy, and when you go back to your Swipe file, see it copy all here. Don't forget to save it. Okay. I don't know why it's got my habit now. I'm saving all the time. You see, so these are 10 jobs. So the research will take no time at all to do a lot of things. So you're gonna close this. Now, when you decided that let's say you're gonna sell the report, you want to export this to a PDF file, you're gonna export to PDF. And I suggest to export notes and images only because the fields, they don't need to see all of these fields. So you're gonna export to, and usually it take the name, the title of the record, which is company name, and they put the day right after that, today's date. So I'm just gonna save it, right? And then we're gonna go in and take a look at what it looks like. Top 10 job to pay the most 2025. See right there. And if you have an images, it will display here as well. we can go back and print out the other recipe to see the images. Now, you can see this is all lowercase because that's the way I put into the record. But if you want to sell something, you want to make it look nicer, then you put upper lowercase. Whatever that you put in your Word file right here, that's what it's gonna export out exactly like that. So now, like, we're gonna go back here and we're gonna export this recipe to the PDF as well, so we can see it export the images, and we're gonna save it, and you can see that it tell you where to save it, so you remember where it is. And we're gonna go there and recipe chocolate cupcake. See, and this chocolate cupcake right here has the image too. Okay. You can see that when you copy from the internet, it doesn't have a format look nice. ChatGPT formatted for us. So if you do research from the regular web browser, it looks something like this. So in order for you to sell, you may want to come in and make it look to space them, so it will look much better. Okay, so let me see anything else I need to tell you. Now the search function is very amazing. It's search, let's say you want to find top 10. The more you type, the more it finds, okay, like top 10 job. So in the future, you may have like 10,000 records down here. It doesn't matter. You can be able to find it. If you know how to name your company name or whatever the record that you're trying to do, you want to put something that you will the method of how you save is important. Everybody has different methods, and you can reset here, it will reset back. So basically that to delete a record, all you do is you click whatever which record you want to delete and click on delete button and it delete. See, I don't think anything else need to tell you. Everything pretty much that's pretty easy, right? So I hope you enjoy this tutorial and I hope you enjoy the software. Write to me, let me know how much you like it. And thank you very much for purchasing it and watching the tutorial.